Alright, in this video I will be going over machine problem 4, both for the indentation and then the spell check. So let's first go over the spell check. So, for this one, we are given a whether given on if a word is spelled correct or incorrectly, put them into a dictionary which for the correct words and then a misspelled. And yeah, after we do all the words, input all the incorrect words or misspelled ones, and then the correct ones, it will tell us what all the misspelled words are. And we have all these text files, dictionary. This one we scan in. It's just used to scan in the lines, really. And then we got Russia and then Ukraine. But in order to get those text files to scan in, we have to run it we have to run the configurations and then just run one. Hold on. Yep, right here. We have to put them into this program arguments. So we'll scan them in and you can see the output of when we run it. So now we can go ahead and run it. And now we can just go through the input and output of the program. And yeah, it just gives us misspelled words out of the ones that we just said and dump them into the misspelled and the correct ones. And it's basically the same thing for the Ukraine one. Right, that was for the spell check. Now let's go over the indentation one. It's basically kind of the same thing. We have a bunch of text files that we have to kind of scan in, and it will say that if the file is properly indented or improperly, and then it will based on, so let's say where the error is and where it is not indented. So it's kind of like the same thing where we run as configurations. Okay. Alright, sorry about that. I had to find the correct one. Didn't have the right program. It didn't have anything here. So, yeah. And basically we're doing the same thing, kind of like the same thing that we did with the other program, where we're scanning in the text files so it can read them and output whether or not they are indented or improperly indented. So we can go ahead and run this one. Oh, that's what? I don't know why this is not working. Okay, now I think it should be working. So, it has these, which are the text files that we have to kind of just scan in, and now we can run it to see. And as you can see, it has all the text files, and it's processing the file and determining whether it is indented or not. And you can see this one, it has an error at line 7 where it is not properly indented. And if it has an error, it will say where it has one, and then if it is properly indented, it will say that it must be indented, and in that case it is correct. So yeah, that's basically it.